So yeah, guys, she is alive, honestly, and she's doing way much better. I don't know if you hear her. Hold on. Hey. So what's up, guys? Right now we're with the gray Sentra. As you can see, it is running after the swap. Whatever, something's funny with that alignment. Even though the car is straight, the wheel is currently crooked. Yeah, but once you drive, like, you gotta drive like this, and it's annoying. But yeah, right now we're gonna head to get some parts that we need to work on the car. And yeah, we just gotta do some bit of maintenance updates and whatnot. All right, guys, so we're working on the car, and the top half of this bolt right here, it's kind of fucked up. So we're gonna do is we're gonna take it off the old one that's back there. We're gonna switch it over. So if you want to do this job, make sure you get this decompressing tool for the spring, so like that you can take off all the tension, remove the top hat. Then yeah, that's how it'll go. But I'm gonna take this one off and pull that top hat off, then put this on, because this will be easier, because I'm gonna leave this one on. Yeah, so we're gonna do that instead, but I'll keep you updated. All right, guys, so we removed the spring from here. What we were looking for was for the hi-hat, which is this that we're going to put on this one, because this one, it is, I don't know if you see it, but right here is no bueno. And no matter how much you put it upwards, it doesn't want to stay because the teeth are rotting out. So yeah, then it's going back in the car. We gotta check the car because the car has a leak right about there from the axle. So we're going to address that here as well. So I'll keep you updated. So guys, if you ever decide to do this and you try the socket and it doesn't work because the I guess this compression piston is spinning, always to an Allen key and open hand wrench, and it always does the trick. All right, guys, so we got the top hat off and the boot. So rule of thumb, the suspension or the lowering spring or whatever the fuck, always point it away from you, because if these things fail, yeah, you don't want to get smacked by spring, the fucking trident spring on top. So yeah, so you take it up, boop, boop, take this off, put this one in, snuggle it in there. Kind of have one hand, but put that in there. You tap. Oh yeah, it's talking about. See, it just, this is the old one, and this is the replacement one. So then you just, and that's it. Always make sure that when you put it, that the bottom part is actually flush where it's supposed to be, or not, it's not going to distribute the weight properly. You can hear a lot of squeaking because of it. All right, guys, so once we have it, this was something, make sure it fits where it's supposed to sit at. Then replace one is on, everything matches up. Don't worry, this portion right here is going to sit flush once we're done with it. All right, guys, so this is, well, the suspension is set up, all the bolts are tightened, and it's looking really good. So before, we was having a problem with this bolt back here. Much better. Before, we had a problem with this bolt right here specifically, because it didn't want to basically attach to this lug nut, and it was being a pain in the ass. So what we ended up doing was replacing the whole top hat. So yeah, guys, she is alive, honestly, and she's doing way much better. I don't know if you hear her. Hold on. Hey. Yeah, but like I said, guys, I'll keep you posted. Follow videos. If you like the video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And to further notes, guys, thanks for watching.